All right, what's going on, Lake Pro Tackle fam, guys? Today's video, we're going to be testing out the brand new Lews 2024 Custom Pro. This is a Generation 3 reel with a brand new braking system in it. Of course, if you didn't watch our previous video, go
there it is.
And we're going to go spool it up. The rod of choice today is a Daiwa Kage B rod. This power jerk bait, 610 medium.
Yep.
A little bit moderate, so you're going to kind of get a good feel for, hopefully, how it casts on that rod. So there it is. Again, if you watched that previous video.
It's gold. Looks like it's going to hold quite a bit of line.
Yeah, it's about 100 size. It's 12 pound 90, so 18 pound we're probably getting around 65 yards, 70.
So, setting it up, right? I got it kind of
a little fast on
a little fast. We could maybe go a little tighter on it.
I would start where it just barely drops. Kind of start with the
we'll start like we're
newbies.
We can't fish. Like we're terrible. We have dumb thumbs. We have dumb thumbs right now. Okay, that's about
that's pretty fair.
That's fair. Middle of the road.
Yep.
Right?
Yep.
There goes cast.
Do a little lob cast.
Little underhand, little. Didn't touch it.
Yeah, again, guys, it's Paramag ITV, so it uses the circular magnetic braking as well as the, let's call it, SV rotor.
Yeah, it has like on a Daiwa, it has that little
rotor cup.
Little rotor cup on it. This one, it kind of runs around the edge of the spool and acts like the rotor cup on it. It's different. And so that cast nice for. Stop that one.
You stopped that one. Almost hit the dock there.
That was going to be a bad cast. That's how. Yeah, feels good.
Yeah, I noticed how the package is nice and smooth too.
Oh wow, yeah.
Didn't even have to thumb it. I mean, you're not really chucking it out there. Probably easily goes 100 feet.
That's like as far as you'd want to cast a spinnerbait, unless you're, you know.
Mr. Hero casting out here.
Yeah.
No, that's. I mean. We'll do the normal casting towards the fountains and stuff.
And then we got just like a flip, like a dock skip. But
yeah, and that's pretty tight in my opinion. I'm sure you can boost it up.
That's pretty good for where it is, and that's not even like all the way tight.
I know Castledine did his video. He said you could really work that reel. I mean, really put some oomph into it.
You could really zing it. Okay, here we go.
Yeah, I mean, no thumb.
No thumb.
Nice and easy.
I'm casting by my 7-pounder spot right now.
Right. And
I'm at the point, yeah.
Basically at the point. So pretty easy, full brakes, 35 yards. That's
tension's pretty tight.
Pretty standard casting.
Yeah.
I mean, not extreme distance by any means, but again, we're using a 3/8 ounce spinnerbait and 18-pound fluorocarbon. So what do you want from us?
This casts nice. And then
pretty smooth.
Pretty smooth.
So this is the same price basically as a Corrado DC. 30 yards. The top of this feeder here over here, guys, that's about 50 yards. Pretty dang close. It's about 40, 48, 50. So I'll try to use a little editing stuff and show you kind of where this lure lands.
All right, so I got it set up now, Sam. I went from middle to like a quarter. So 4.5.
Yep.
About 4.5, and then I loosened up the tension knob a little bit.
Gotcha.
So
let's show the drop if we can.
Here we go. Here's the drop.
Oh wait, I don't know if
you
can see. Yeah, it's fine. Yeah, you're fine.
Do it one more time. Here we go. It overruns a little bit on that drop.
Yep.
So I'm gonna have to thumb this one.
We also have pretty sustained 10-mile-per-hour winds coming straight into us.
Yeah, we're going right in. Yeah.
So
here we go. Past the fountain. That was good.
Yeah.
I didn't touch it.
That easily went that 35.
That's probably
40.
Yeah.
No, that's 35. I think that fountain's 35.
I was beyond the fountain.
Yeah, you were beyond the fountain, so.
That time, that's pretty far.
I think you might need to tighten the brake up just a hair. I heard the overrun start going, but it evened out pretty good.
So that was 4.5. I'll go to 5.5. Here goes 5.5.
Yep. Again, guys, pretty sustained gusts coming in as well. I heard it, but no thumb, just immediately.
No thumb.
Immediately just reset itself.
I'm thinking these are probably going to do well.
I just can't get over the gold color.
That is easy 50.
Yep.
With a 610.
That is easy 50. Yeah.
610
rod
with an 18-pound test. So
yeah. So it's having to work.
Yeah. You put 12 and crank with it. You're sending it.
I might have to take one out of inventory and crank with it.
A jerk bait.
Put it to the real test, because I do a lot of cranking, guys. So I mean, I will tell you if it's good cranking reel or not. I am putting some work on my cranking reels right now.
One more.
Oh yeah, 50 easy.
No problem.
No problem.
And a pretty, I say kind of medium loose setup, about where you would mostly want to be, I think.
Yeah, I mean,
not free spooling it or not trying to be greedy or anything like that.
I don't think you're ever going to need to make it cast longer than that. Now, obviously, if you want to use one of these for like Carolina rigs or something, I think it would be very, very beneficial, especially since Carolina rigs like to tumble. I think it would be very beneficial to have one of these braking systems, and hopefully, you know, later on down the line, maybe the lower end custom, the regular custom,
look at that. That's perfect. I mean, right.
Just to see some of this technology.
Right on the point, man. It's a good reel.
I want to run high brake. I like to do this on mine. I like to run a high brake, but have like very loose tension. So here we go. I'll show y'all it. It's gonna drop pretty quick. Go a little looser. Let's get greedy here, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's about the same.
Yeah.
I could probably loosen that tension up.
And we're throwing a spinner bait too, so
into the wind.
Into the wind. So if it was like a weight transfer, like an LBO mega bass or something like that, you could just probably zing it.
So I just clicked it down 3 steps, and it's still going pretty, even quicker now. So here we go.
I think you would have to set up your tension knob a little quicker if you're gonna do any kind of skipping.
Right, yep. Right. All right. So it is. I mean, it's loosey goosey. I've got it on 8.5, and here we go.
Look out for that wire.
I mean, that's crazy.
That is nuts.
I mean, in terms of overall casting, if they made this gray or like black,
yeah,
I'd be all over it. But
yeah.
The color just kind of gets
Well, you know what it is if you go grab it.
Right.
It's definitely color coordinated.
So, same tension, guys. Mm-hmm. Dropped it down 2 steps. So now we're on 7. And that's 2 steps, not 2 numbers. It's 2 steps.
Yep.
So now it's on 7. It was 8.5. So here we go. Still absolutely zinging it. No thumb.
No thumb.
I foresee this being probably one of our top sellers, guys. Yep. It is very, very good. We only have 7 speeds at the moment, so
ordering more. So.
Let's see. I even stopped it with my thumb and let go, and it still
kept doing its thing.
Still did it.
So it's Paramag.
Paramag ITB.
ITB.
Because the other one uses Paramag RX or something like that. So we're gonna.
We have the other one that's just not. It's just a pair. It's like it's similar.
It doesn't use the spool rotor.
No, it doesn't. It just
This one does.
Sam, open it up for them.
It is. Oh yeah.
Open up and show them.
Well, I did another video.
You see the inside of it?
Yeah, I showed them the internal. So now it is extremely loose.
Loose.
This is where I would feel uncomfortable with a Daiwa, a Shimano, anything else, even older Lews. I mean, I just feel uncomfortable.
What are you on braking?
I'm still at the 7.
Okay, but loose on your...
Very, very loose on tension.
Like no tension.
Like 0 tension, so...
And
I mean, a little overrun when it hit, but I mean, that magnetic braking system in there, paired with that ITB, I guess, or whatever rotor cup, it is ridiculously powerful, still allowing casting distance. So that is the Lews Custom Pro overall.
Well, there you go.
I am very impressed. I would, I mean, on a scale of 1 to 10, I mean, it's pretty hard not to give this reel like at least an 8.5 out of 10.
Yep.
I mean, in terms of variance, the casting system, I mean, it's probably pushing like 9 out of 10. Aesthetic-wise, I'm taking points off because it just looks loosey.
It is a wonky color.
It is a wonky color.
Unless you're a UT fan, then you might like it.
No, it's not even orange. It's like gold.
It kind of.
Notre Dame?
Maybe, yeah. It's a little bit of that, but definitely it's the Custom Pro reel, but it casts nice.
They even updated some of the handle stuff on
Yep.
it. On
I
the
do
grip.
like the handles. They're not the foamy ones that some of the Lews stuff has on
Yeah,
them.
and it's also
Yep.
5.6 ounces. It is extremely light.
Yep.
So I think the strengths of this reel are definitely going to be a lot of your moving baits that will catch a lot more wind. You have your little speed knot thing on the bottom
you
there.
have your little hooky do for your
lure.
For your lure to hook it there.
Yep. So
like
if you guys are in the area,
an oil vent.
Yep. If you're in the area, make sure to stop on by to Lake Pro Tackle. We've got one of these spooled up, ready to go.
You can cast it.
You can try it out. Again, it is cheaper than a Corrado DC at the moment. Cheaper than a Chronarch MGL. Cheaper than, I believe, a Corrado 70 even. And the casting on it,
two something, what was it?
$249 for the reel.
Yeah.
Or $250. And
it's the Corrado DC area right there.
Yeah, just there. I think it's $10, $15, $20 cheaper than that.
Yeah.
So you get all the bells and whistles. I love the handle design. Very light reel. Not going to make you real tired throughout the day.
Yep.
Curious to see what Very Light Line does on it. I want to definitely try doing maybe like a BFS thing. See really how light this can get, especially with lighter line, not 18-pound line. But yeah, I think that's a pretty good review. I like it.
Yep.
Never really been a true Lews fanboy. I've used tons of Lews. Just never been a true Lews fanboy.
And it is the Lews Custom Pro Gold, but it's the CPB 1SH HG being the 7 ratio.
Yep. They make a 6, 7, 8.
And they make 6, 7, 8, and then the XG be the 7. So.
Yep. So.
And it has good. I don't. What was you see the drag rating?
20 pounds.
Yeah, it's got all the Lews stuff.
Lews 20-pound drag all the way.
I mean, you're pulling 20-pound drag, then you have.
Yeah. Well,
you're pulling some.
You're pulling a gorilla in.
Yeah.
But yeah, that's our review. I think 2 thumbs up, 4 thumbs up.
Yep.
And we'll see you next time, guys. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to the channel, like the video if you enjoyed it, and we'll see you next time.
Bye.
See you guys.